being the very special person that I am, I was recording the first part of this game, and then I watched the recording, and then I realized that my mic, it wasn't picking anything up. I only recorded for 10 minutes, so you didn't miss much. Got a sword, so now we can kill random children. Like these ones. See Cubchoo over there? He's next. Why is the music silent? This means there's a boss fight. Where's the music? Yep. This reminds me of that time in Mario Odyssey when you lose Cappy. It's a Bokoblin! Smack, smack. You're getting smacked. Dumbo. Honey, Link, you can't. No, Link! Now. What? Oh no! Blue Conflicts. Get smackadacked! I guess that doesn't exist. Yep. Ouch. Well, what's with that get up? Well, whatever, so where am I? Why am I reading? You guys can read. Miss Tetra. Okay. Why are you dancing like that? You're like a leprechaun. Are you not gonna give me a gift for rescuing you? You're just gonna run up. Yeah, what about me? Yep. Isn't Link like 11 in this game or something? Oh, she's gonna fall into the little hole. She's gonna fall in the little hole of the bridge because she's an idiot. Or she's gonna get taken by the bird. And we're gonna have to save her. Yep. Yep. Wow, I never saw that coming. Wow. Wow, I'm shocked. This is such good story making. Okay. How did you... Stupid kid. Get a hold of yourself, she's gone. There's nothing you can do. Can hack. Fly hacks. Would aimbot work? She's not playing with the goals. Oh well, let's just take the shield. Oh, it's gone. I have a sword, give me it. Bro, why did I need to hit that gong? No, not Cubchoo. Well, honestly though, is that supposed to be Cubchoo or something? Like, it looks so similar. No, sit down. You gotta press the switch. Okay, well you just did it for me now. Link. Oh, thank God, finally. Why did that take me so long? I'm so freaking useless. Can you not walk into me? I almost fell off. Master Cycle? It's not the Master Cycle. Oh, hey. Oh, we're somewhere. Where did you take us? That doesn't look good. I don't know why you have a full-on obstacle course. How do you fit that in a ship, but... I swear, that's the bird from Captain Toad. Why do I keep on saying Captain Code? It's not, it's Toad. Oh my gosh. What do we do now? It's a cannon. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Well, that should be a meme face. These needs to be, Bleh! I can't speak English today. These need to be memes. Those expressions, they just need to be memes. Forsaken fortress. Will I get caught if I'm in the barrel? Crap. No, I'm just a barrel. Something actually useful, isn't it? What is it? A map. Yep, making me deflect. Watch this, I'll deflect. Okay, yep, Move. You missed. You're screwed. Oh! Get screwed. Ow. Why is it doing that? Bro! Can you go? Oh, I just had a mini heart attack. Finally. Where are they coming from? Where are they actually coming from? They're how? Get out of here. Actually go. No, why are you here? So got a sword. Where is that noise? Oh, hello. He looks so grumpy. Just look at it. Whoa. It's like gonna be a boss, isn't it? Yo! No, not the bird from Captain Toad's treasure tracker. What is that bird's name? I'm gonna Google it soon. Oh no. Well, you're kind of screwed. We are screwed. We are screwed. Are we gonna fight you, or are you gonna be like a main villain? Oh, this looks sick. Oh, it's Ganon. Hello. Castaways. We are castaways. Okay, wow, it's really sick and awesome. Yeah, I love this guy already. I really like this guy already. King of Red Lions. Do not fear, I'm not your enemy. Lonk. Yep. Yep. His name is Ganon! We didn't know that. Okay. He, blah, 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 blah. Nothing we didn't know. Very same Ganon. Meh. Tell me, Lonk, do you wish to save your sister from him? No! No! No. Oh. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that next video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.